too big for Mailbox Monday, so let's open it now. Okay, got another truck. I know, you're just like, God damn, this guy gets a lot of trucks. I do. My girlfriend just said that. But like I said, I've sold a lot of things over the last couple of months, so I've been just kind of waiting to pounce, you know, just like a tiger. I'm like a rawr, like big, fat, hairy, stupid tiger. So this guy popped up on Facebook. My buddy Jordan said, "Ooh, this looks like a good deal." And I said, yes it is. Boom, it's sold. So it got here today after a 10-day trip from Louisiana. It just kind of sat in Cincinnati for a while. It was pretty sweet. I liked it a lot. And got it from actually a viewer. He said, "Man, I sure have missed seeing your videos on YouTube. What's going on?" And I said, "Well, life and stuff." And it kind of lit a fire under me. I won't lie about it. So you know who you are. I thoroughly appreciate it. Just kind of one of those things, man. You think about, you know, one little thing you say to somebody can, you know, lead their day in one way or the other. So, you know, I appreciate it. Not to get all mushy and stuff, but okay, let's check this out. It's not a slash. That's not what it is. Yeah. Okay. There. Tight fit.
That's what she said.
Not like your mom. Not like your mom at all. Damn. Oh, there's things falling out already. Got a bag. Tires. More tires. Let's drag her out here. Very well packed. Oh, even foam. Got some styrofoam in there to help protect it. Nicely done. Nicely done. If you're not taking notes, you should be, because this is how you pack a truck. You'd be surprised how many times I've gotten full, ready-to-run rigs that are literally just thrown in a box, like 4 little peanuts and a piece of newspaper, and then they send it all the way across the country, and they're like, "Oh, au revoir, hope you make it." It's not how you do things. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is just as nice as it looked in pictures, for sure. You may be thinking, oh, that looks like a 10-2. Or, you know, something equivalent. It does, but it's Cherokee. And this is super cool. So what it actually is, let's just start at the top. Very nicely painted, windows smoked, all murdered out and stuff. Cherokee body. Not a huge Cherokee fan, but this kind of grew on me already. So we'll see what happens. And this doesn't ever look like it was really run either. This is nice. All right. What we have under here is a Phoenix, kinda. So, you got the, this is the dig servo. So we do dig already. We have a dig servo, that's good. I almost bought another servo last night. The overdrive is locked out, but it has the aluminum standoffs for the transmission, has an aluminum motor mount. This is good. Good stuff. Oh, M08, 58 tooth gear. I'll have to change that because I don't have any pinions, but I do have more spurs. So I might have to change that. It has the slipper lockout on it, which is super cool. Very nice. Has Dravtech shorts on it. And then, most notably, you'll see it has straight axles. These are 10-3 straight axles that he actually put in this. And definitely different. That's super cool. Just because I only have one Phoenix and it still has portals, so this is pretty cool to see all this kind of working together. I'm guessing these are mini T-springs or something like that. Some sort of, I bet they're Dravtech of some sort, but they're basically mini T-springs. Probably the rears. Very, very nice. I'm gonna throw some wheels and tires on it real quick. It's something that'll probably never stay on it, but we'll see what it looks like. What do I do? Over here? No. At first I thought I lost some wheels and tires, but I just put them on my dad's truck. Alright, so these, I think these are all the same. Who cares? Alright, so landmines, they're a little dirty. They don't necessarily, you know what? Let's clean them up real quick. Okay. found me some wheels and tires, rubbed them out, cleaned them up real quick, and let's see what we got here. I believe these are all the same foam. I'm not 100% sure. I've never opened them up, to tell you the truth. They work really well, so I just haven't messed with them. Got the same problem I did with these stupid hexes. If you got one of these 10-3 straight axle kits, one of the problems is the hex has a pin that goes through it, and the pin's too long if you thread it in until it stops. So you have to kind of back the threads out. It's real weird. Just keep that in mind, just you learned something today if you didn't have one already or something, And there we go. Dude, that looks good. Killer. Just enough little back cut to make it look good. I don't have the centers, plus they make it a pain to swap, but super cool. Super glad I got it. I have I don't know if I got a motor that's big enough to put in it. I don't know what I got to do, actually, now that I tell you the truth. Now that it doesn't have portals, I don't know how to gear it, so we'll have to see that. I've got a 2250, I think. I have a 2250 and a Mamba Micro. I may throw that in here. I found a little Amazon 35 kg servo last night and some stuff. I may throw that in there. Then it's got dig. It doesn't have the overdrive function, which I can get another cheap servo for, but work other than that. So I may get this running before this weekend, maybe take it out, do something. So anyway, just figured you guys like to see that. He also gave me a bunch of parts, so that's pretty cool. I got, I believe these are the Origin wheels, maybe the Ultra. Nope, these are Phoenix. Wait, what? These are different. So then these are, oh, okay, see, so there's two sets. But that was super cool of him. Gave me the wheels, gave me these. So I've got all those, and then there's some extra parts in here. All right, got some other stuff. Got some body mounts, which is cool. I'll need those eventually for something. Got some body mounts, got the gear cover, servo mount. I don't really mess with that stuff. Got the sliders, the rear bumper, brand new Phoenix drive shafts. I don't know what that goes to. I've only built a Phoenix, so I'm not real sure. Is that just a, I don't know what that does. I don't know. I'm sure one of you guys will tell me, or my buddy Jordan will tell me. A bunch of transmission gears. So I don't know what gears this has in it. These are transmission gears. The front bumper for Phoenix, and then the middle cover thing, whatever the hell you want to call that, the little middle pieces. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, got some extra parts too, and here's the close-ups. Maybe I can get it running here soon. It may snow. I don't know what it's going to do. It's going to be like 12 degrees on Saturday or something, which is stupid, but I don't know. I'll get it running, and then maybe we'll take it out when it's warm and I have a day off or something after I go back to work or whatever. So that's about it for today. And as always, have a good day. I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. Join my Facebook group. Follow me on Facebook. Whatever the hell you want to do. I'm on Instagram as well. It's all Bullman Built RC. And you guys have a good day. I will see you later. Bye.